Hi, today I'm making hot spice cider. It's gotten a little cool. We got a little weather, and so I thought I would take a moment and make some hot spice cider. It's very simple. And so what you're going to do is you're going to start with about 4 cups of apple juice, 2 oranges, 1 to 2 packets of apple spice cider, the instant mix. You'll also have the whole cinnamon stick to use in the cider. And, these might be a little bit expensive, but they're well worth it because you can use them from now throughout the holiday season. You'll start by slicing 1.5 of your oranges. And so we'll set those aside. And then we'll begin with adding 4 cups of apple juice to a pot. Next, we'll add 2 cinnamon sticks to the apple juice. Now, you can add more apple juice if you like. If you're serving a larger group of folks, you can double this recipe. Next, you're going to add the apple spice cider mix. It's an instant mix. You'll add the oranges that we sliced earlier, and then you're going to bring that all to a boil. And so we'll bring it up to a boil and then just let it simmer and steep for about 30 minutes. And it makes the house fragrant. And once it's done, you're going to serve it in your favorite mug and enjoy not only a fall favorite, but a winter favorite of hot spice cider.